Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly manage their finances, saving money and investing for the future, while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, I'm about to share a game-changing financial strategy that helped me save an extra $500 per month, and it's not as complicated as you might think. It's called zero-based budgeting, and it's a method that's been trending on social media and financial forums this year, with thousands of people reporting significant savings and reduced debt. At its core, zero-based budgeting is a simple yet powerful approach to managing your finances. It's based on the idea that every single dollar you earn should be assigned a job, whether it's paying bills, saving for a goal, or investing in your future. In other words, every dollar is being used for something, and there's no room for waste. This is in direct contrast to the traditional budgeting approach, where you might allocate a certain percentage of your income for discretionary spending without much thought to how that money is being